To teach the nervous system, I ask my students, if you touch something, the feeling goes from your finger to your brain. How does it get there? What sends the message from your finger to the brain? It's not like a little bacteria that swims or a red blood cell. It goes really fast in a straight line. And so I get them to imagine and to make up ideas, and hopefully someone will say, nerves. And I'll go, yeah. And they look like very, very thin trees. Because they got roots. And they got a brain. Roots down this end, brain. And they send out messages this end. They look like a sort of blobby tree nerve thing. And there's another N word. Does anyone know the other N word that means the same as nerve? And if nobody knows, I'll pronounce it and say it's neuron. Now, what's the first letter of neuron? Put it into your Google or Safari search. N. Neuron. Okay, what's the second word? What's the second letter in the word neuron? And eventually, we'll get them close to the point where Google search or Safari will suggest neuron. And I'll go, that's the way, if you kind of know a word, you can get its spelling using Google and Safari by putting it in there. I get them to draw a neuron like a tree. So we look at Google Images, and I say, imagine it's a tree starting at your fingers, the roots, and really long and thin, and then going up to your brain, and draw it like a tree with the dendrites and the nucleus. And that's how the image of a neuron, a very difficult looking image in Google and Safari, but it becomes more acceptable to their heads when they think it looks like a tree.